Alright, hello YouTube, this is Jeff from Racing to the Top. We're bringing a car from down there to put a clutch pedal in this thing, switching it over from automatic to a stick. And I guess that's what we're doing today. Alright. Alright, so I wanted to explain a little bit what's going on, why we're changing the automatic to a manual. If that is a spare race car that we're trying to get ready for the season, just in case anything happens. While doing the job, somebody, I'm not going to name names, broke the brake pedal, the assembly. Tried to bend it. It's a cast piece, and as soon as he tried to bend it, it broke in half. Thank goodness we're in the back here by the woods where all the extra car parts are for the race cars and stuff like that. They had an extra brake pedal in there. Let's see. I'm gonna try and stop saying so much in the videos too, but I guess I gotta get used to just talking into the front of the camera and stuff like that. And let's see what else. Got that. Oh, and try and get better at the video cameraing stuff. I always forget that I brought the camera and set it up and stuff like that, so I can start recording before I actually do anything. Or it's getting a lot of getting used to. So I missed the entire front portion of the, I guess, the video, trying to get the trans out and stuff like that. I guess I didn't hit the record button. I don't know, that happens. That happens a lot. But anyway, like I said, hopefully it's getting better. Just give out some points. What I want to do with the car, with my car, the BMW race car. Waiting on the roll cage. I prepped it up a little bit of where I think the roll cages go, the points and stuff like that. I called Kirk Racing. That's where I got the roll cage from, and got some inside views of where the roll cage should go, and where I guess the optimal spaces would be to put them. Also, we are waiting for the roll cage so I can put the seat in. We're gonna bolt the racing seat to the roll cage, so if anything happens, if I get hit on the side, God forbid, that the car isn't gonna crush my leg. It's gonna move with the roll cage. Is what I think the I guess pit boss what is explaining to me. He's been doing it for God knows how long. I mean, I want to say at least 20 years. So I take his word of advice for it and follow what he has to do. But that's my plan for that car, to get it ready for the racetrack. I did the little odds and ends, like put the rear together. Let's see, what else? I want to try and win my first race event, but I got to make it out there first. So that's why I've been working pretty hard. The roll cage kind of put me back a little bit, just waiting for it. Which is I'm not blaming anybody, the companies or anything like that. I'm pretty much blaming whatever's going on, from 2020 to 2021. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to explain of what I wanted to try to do, and just trying to get used to talking in front of the camera. Yeah, that's it for now. I might cut together, some of the audio and video, but anyway, see you next time. Thank you.